Welcome back to 10 Slide Info. This video is to provide another update about the approval of military sales from the United States for India. Yes, the United States approved a sale of 82 million US dollars Harpoon Joint Common Test Sets to India. To be more precise, the State Department has approved a possible foreign military sale to the Government of India for Harpoon Joint Common Test Set and related equipment for an estimated cost of 82 million US dollars. Getting such a sale approved by the United States will obviously improve India's capability to meet the current and future threats, since this sale would provide India with all flexible and efficient Harpoon missile maintenance capability to ensure maximum force readiness. As per the defense sources, it is said that along with the Harpoon Joint Common Test Set, this deal includes a Harpoon intermediate level maintenance station, a spare and repair parts, support, test equipment, publications, and technical documentation. Not only that, it also includes the personal training, technical, engineering, and logistics support services, and other related elements of logistics and program support. The principal contractor will be the Boeing company, and there are no known offset agreements proposed in the connection with this potential sale. Any offset agreement required by India will be defined in negotiations between the purchaser and the contractor. It is said that the implementation of this proposed sale will require the assignment of one United States contractor representative to India for a duration of 1 year to support the technical reviews, the support, and oversight. According to the United States, India would not have any difficulty in absorbing this equipment into their defense forces, and as per Pentagon, sale of this equipment and support would not change the basic military balance in the region. I'm not sure what they meant by saying it would not change the military balance in the region. So that was a quick update of the latest sale approval from the United States for India. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned to 10 Slide Info for more defense and aviation updates. Thank you.